Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss inverse trigonometric functions, some multiple choice questions. Syllabus is reduced in the inverse trigonometric functions, but it is better to learn properties of inverse trigonometric functions, at least some properties, because these properties are very useful in differentiation, integration also. Now, let us discuss some multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. What is cos inverse minus x? This is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. This is cos inverse minus 1 by 2 can be written as pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. This is equal to pi minus, in the simple way, in the cos table 1 by 2 here it will come cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 that is pi by 3. This is equal to 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. This is the answer. The correct option is A. Question number 2. The principal value of sin inverse sin 3 pi by 5. Sin inverse sin 3 pi by 5. It is not equal to 3 pi by 5. Don't cancel, because principal value of sin inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Answer should be lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. We know that sin theta is equal to sin 180 minus theta, pi minus theta. This is possible to write sin inverse sin 180 minus theta. This is sin inverse sin 5 pi minus 3 pi 2 pi by 5. This is equal to 2 pi by 5, because it belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, what is the correct option? Correct answer is 2 pi by 5. B is the correct option. Question number 3. The value of tan inverse root 3 minus secant inverse minus 2. This is equal to, what is tan inverse root 3? In the tan table, root 3 will become 60 degrees. 60 degrees means pi by 3 minus, this is write down pi minus secant inverse 2. This is pi by 3 minus pi minus secant inverse 2 means cos inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2, 1 by 2, where it will come? 60 degrees, that is pi by 3. This is equal to pi by 3 minus pi minus minus plus pi by 3. This is pi by 3 plus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 minus pi. This is equal to 2 pi minus 3 pi divided by 3. This is equal to minus pi by 3. Which option is correct? Minus pi by 3. C is the correct option. Question number 4. The value of sin pi by 3 minus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. is equal to, we know that sine inverse minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. This is sine pi by 3. This is sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus plus sine inverse 1 by 2. This is equal to sine of pi by 3 plus sine inverse 1 by 2. In the sine table 1 by 2 where it will come? 30 degrees, that is pi by 6, because sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. This is sine 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, 90 degrees. This is sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. Correct option is B. Question number 5. The principal value of cos inverse cos of minus 7 pi by 3. What is cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta? Because in the fourth quadrant cos is positive. Then cos inverse cos of minus 7 pi by 3 can be written as cos inverse cos of 7 pi by 3. This can be written as cos inverse cos of 7 by 3. 7 by 3, 3 2 ja, means 2 pi plus 1 pi, pi by 3. The 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 7 pi by 3. This is equal to cos inverse cos 360 plus theta is equal to cos theta, cos pi by 3. This is equal to pi by 3, because principal value of cos inverse lies between 0 to pi. The correct option is B. Question number 6. The value of tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. This is equal to tan inverse root 3, because you know that tan 60 is equal to root 3. Tan inverse root 3 is equal to 60 pi by 3 minus cot inverse minus theta is equal to pi minus cot inverse root 3. This is equal to pi by 3 minus pi minus, you know what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 2, root 3. That is, yes, cot inverse root 3 is equal to 30 degrees, pi by 6. This is equal to pi by 3 minus 6 pi minus 5 pi by 6. Take LCM, 6, 3 2 ja 2 pi minus 5 pi. This is equal to minus 3 pi by 6. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. This is equal to minus pi by 2 is the correct answer. Option B is correct one. Question number 7. The value of x if tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. We want to find the value of x. If you know the property tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, then this here is x, here is x. Therefore, this is x means this should be x. Therefore, x is equal to root 3. You can write the direct answer, x is equal to root 3, if you know the properties. but properties are not in the syllabus. Otherwise, if you are learning properties, this is the benefit. Otherwise, this method you may use also. What is cot inverse x? Cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse root 3. This is pi by 2 minus, in tan table root 3 where it will come 60 degrees, that is pi by 3. This is equal to, take LCM is 6. 3 pi minus 2 pi, pi by 6. Cot inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Then x is equal to cot pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. What is cot 30 is equal to root 3. Correct option is A is the correct answer. Question number 8. The value of x if secant inverse 2 plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Same previous problem type. Secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2, one of the property, but properties, clearly properties not in the syllabus. Here x, here x 2, therefore x is equal to 2. How to solve? Other method, or if you know property, directly use this method. Otherwise, cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus secant inverse 2. This is equal to pi by 2 minus secant inverse 2 means cos inverse 1 by 2. Cos table 1 by 2 where it will come 60 degrees. This is equal to pi by 3. This is equal to 3 pi minus 2 pi. This LCM is 6. Pi by 6. Cosecant inverse is x is equal to pi by 6. X is equal to cosecant pi by 6. What is cosecant pi by 6? 2. The correct answer is option is 2. Cosecant. Cosecant pi by 6 is equal to 30. Means sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 is equal to 2. Answer is 2. Question number 9. If sin inverse x is equal to y, then principal value of y is, here direct formula. You know that sin inverse x lies between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That is minus pi by 2 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to pi by 2. We know that principal value is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Means closed interval. This is included. Answer is this one. Option B is correct one. Question number 10. Same previous type. Tan inverse x is equal to y. What is principal value of y? We know that principal value of tan inverse is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 open interval. That is minus pi by 2 is less than x, here y, sorry. Y is less than pi by 2. C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct one.